Hi everyone, so welcome back to the another series of eye makeup, and today we will do the bold liner with double line. As you can see, first we need the cake liner from the brand Kryolan and the liner brush. Draw a wing, trying to connect it. Give finishing. Now draw a line connected with the wing. You already know that the cake liner will be activated with the help of rose water. As you can see, I am giving some finishing. So it's a double line, so I am going to connect the another one line from the mid of the lower lash line. Draw a straight line. These type of eye makeup work only for shoots purposes, not for the daily routine. Trying to give a finishing touch, correcting everything. I will show you how beautifully it will turn out with or without lashes. Now the look after lashes. Here you can see. Thank you so much. We'll meet in next tutorial.